Well, hello guys and gals, and welcome to a new episode. And today what we're going to do is take myself,
Truth, wow, winning,
my beautiful SSR, if I can get it actually in the shot.
It comes from China.
And what we're going to do is do nothing but camera angles. Where was the best position for filming? And yes, I don't have an instant 360.
I'm broke!
But you know what? I do have many other things like this. Let's dive into it. Do is take this bad boy and put him, of course, you know, I got my GoPro Hero 7. Actually, if you guys and gals have been wondering what I use, it's a GoPro Hero 7. I've been using him for probably over 3.5 years. The whole intent of this video is basically based on putting the GoPro in a position. I actually have a couple ideas, like stuff like that. That's rough, but basically I'm going to set it up and basically show you guys and gals throughout the whole bike different positions. And I do have a couple cool different ones that I think are going to be pretty cool depending on how the bike handles with the little mini track. And I know you guys and gals are getting very tired of probably seeing non-stop of the track and not actually this on the bigger one, but I have more of that planned in the future. Trust me, it is coming. I've been just extremely slammed with work. So anyways, let's go ahead, dive into some of the different camera angles. That's what this whole video is all about. And I need you guys and gals not only to please subscribe, SSR, thank you, like, and please share or comment on this video. Please, I beg of it. So what happens is I can again do more, but I need to get more stuff so I could get perhaps a sponsor like GoPro. Maybe not. If this could actually, there you go. Look at that bad boy. Let's get into this video. First though, hear this bad boy. Let's try this one.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.
You fell off. Why? That one. So right off the bat, I don't like that one.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
That's a big fat negatory on that one. Let's try that. Okay, done with that up. I know this one I did kind of somewhat like this already, but not really.
Idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Let's try that. Let's see what happens here. Not bad. So I've tried different little ones. Now we're just going to go ahead, put it on top of my helmet, show you guys and gals really kind of the new track anyways from a helmet's perspective, and then we'll go from there. I sure do miss my Rorik Atlas metal strap thing. Man, it makes it so much easier for your chin strap. Good Lord. Get back in the dirt bike and you have to buckle it up like you're back in the 80s. Oh. Okay, guys and gals, again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I wanted to definitely just throw a couple different angles, just a couple different little lines, have fun here and there, of course, all with my handy dandy old school GoPro Hero 7. Guys and gals, again, sorry that I don't have a 360 or Insta 360, whatever it's called. I don't have the money. And I'm working again. If you can get me to that 500 to 1,000 subscribers, I can start getting stuff, sponsors and stuff like that. But you know what, I have nothing, and I'm just a sole independent person. So again, thank you, take care. Any other ideas and comments, just letting you all know there'll be more stuff coming, but leaving your comments below, please help me out. And thank you again, and subscribe. Woohoo!